Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials: the model, firmware version, and enough free space. Then connect the TV to stable Ethernet or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. Unstable Wi-Fi causes failed installs. Make sure power is steady. Plug into a surge-protected outlet and disable autosleep on the TV during the update. Once done, open Settings, navigate to Software Update or Support, and select Check for updates. This first actionable step kicks off the download and prepares the TV. Once the update is found, start the download and watch the progress bar. Slow connections will take longer. You may need to accept license terms or confirm apps will restart, so follow prompts carefully. After download, choose Install Now unless you want a schedule. Installations often require multiple reboots, so let the TV complete each phase. Make sure you do not unplug the TV or power cycle the router mid-process, because interruptions can corrupt the firmware and force recovery procedures. You finish by confirming the firmware version in Settings and checking that apps, picture, and sound behave normally. If the update fails, restart the TV and router, then retry. If failure repeats, try a network reset or clear cache for affected apps. Only use Factory Restore as a last resort because it erases settings. If problems persist, note the model, firmware version, and any error codes, and contact manufacturer support for guided recovery. This speeds troubleshooting and avoids unnecessary hardware actions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.